It's my office, mate.
I'm like, I'll just take over in here.
It's my office.
It looks good. Come on.
I'm about to head down the south coast, ready to install Turia's home office. All about that holiday feeling. I love this part of a job.
So I've just arrived down here on the New South Wales south coast, and I'm standing here in Turia Pitt's home office. So for those who don't know Turia, she's a motivational speaker and author, and she's just an all-round amazing person. So Turia's existing home office, it's the same space that I'm standing in here right now, but it was really dull. It definitely did not inspire creativity. So through styling, we're gonna make it over. We're gonna make it feel like a space where you just come alive. And like I say, it's all about that holiday feeling. So her brief was pretty much just make it feel and look like I did at Soul. So that's what I'm here to do. Right, sit back. Oh, maybe that way. So when it comes to picking furniture for your office, I tend to steer away from like the traditional office furniture. This is a console, which you'd usually use in a lounge room, dining room, but it's perfect for in here because it's great for form and function. So what I mean is functions, huge, full of storage, plus the actual form of it's got a like really sleek design, so perfect. So I'm using this Bronte sofa here. So this is going to be where Turia sits to do all her filming work. And I picked this sofa because it's all about it being in proportion and scale to the room. It's got really narrow tapered arm, so it actually feels really light. I'll describe this as 70% contemporary, which is where all this furniture comes into play, 20% organic, and then with a final 10% layer of retro. And you'll see that coming through when the artwork comes in, but you'll also see it with the leather chair and the rattan in the console. So I'm using a wall light in the office. It's really functional again, and in my opinion, wall lights are so underutilized when it comes to styling. I like to make styling easy. So you just want to pick pieces and things that really connect and resonate with you. So Turia wants an office, that's about holiday feeling. So I could have gone with like a generic beach shot, print, but I also wanted to put something in that really spoke to her. Previously, she was a mining engineer, and I know when I read her book, Happy, it was all about her love of stones and rocks. So I had this artwork piece commissioned, and it's really where I've drawn a lot of the inspiration for the color palette. I'm working with Dullux's Reset palette, and it is all about, it's about being a calm space. It's also about it being uplifting and energetic. Voila. Oh, it looks good. And you can see how like the brass in the wall lights picking up the tones here in the artwork. So one of the rules that I always live by when it comes to styling is using shape. So you can see here with this bowl or vessel, whatever you want to call it, the roundness in it, it really softens it, and it's bringing in a bit of that 20% of organic feel to the space. You always hear about styling, you work in threes. You can see here we've got a little bit of a pyramid effect happening. So I'm using a round tray here on the desk. It's really practical because if you want to, say Turia's here, she's working with her teammate or whoever it is, she can just literally pick it up and move it to somewhere else. So I'm using a bar cart here, and this one's been upcycled, and it's actually got a really cool story. It's called, I think it's Polly the Party Trolley. So cool thing to put in office, bit of fun. Now when it comes to styling up the bar cart, I'm keeping it really simple. So I'm going to be using her books as a bit of styling here, just simply grouping them together. Window treatments are the final layer for any space. It's no surprises that I'm a big fan of sheer curtains. And here we've used the S-Wave ones from Luxaflex. It's just really soft. It definitely brings in that organic vibe. But then also you want to think about how you're going to use the space. So yes, Turia will be working the daytime, but like a lot of us, we're working late at night. So we've got the duet shades here as well. So at a press of a button, they can close down and she's got complete privacy. And then honestly, I think pretty much done in this space. So it's almost time for Turia to come home, show her her new office, see if she likes it. I know that I'm loving the vibe in here, but yeah, it's getting exciting to show her the end result. Hey, you here?
Hello.
You ready to come in?
I'm ready.
Okay, cool. I'll see you in a minute. Get ready for the surprise. All right, see ya.
Okay. Bye.
You ready?
Wow. Oh my gosh. It doesn't even look like my office. Oh my God, these are like my little cupboards for my like important
You've got
business,
storage over there.
important business
Practical.
documents, and then I
Yep.
can come over here and be like, hey, do you want a drink? Or pour
That's it. You
myself
could
like
set
a
this up as
martini.
like a cocktail bar.
And then if I'm just really wanting to like, think it all out, I can just be like, where's my
just
inspiration
chill
from?
out.
Yeah.
And then if you want to come and work, you like literally sit here.
Yeah.
Dun, dun,
I'm
away.
frothing just to like get my laptop out and just tap.
Start working. If you want to invite someone into work, they can sit over there.
They get that chair.
They get there.
Yeah.
So like you're here.
It's so cool. These feel like so
Yep.
floaty.
Look at this. You've got.
How the hell did you do that?
Look.
How did you get that done?
So they've installed them, so it comes down and it will be completely black.
How did you do that?
Literally,
What
stop.
are these?
Open. So in the daytime, you can have like that beautiful
God.
soft light, and at nighttime, you've got complete.
I just
blackout
don't
privacy.
understand how you got so much stuff in here and it still looks spacious.
Did I make it look easy?
Well, you have done, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of blown
Oh.
away.
I love
It's so good.
Does it make you feel good?
Well, it makes me feel like I want to work, which is like
Yeah.
a good thing, right? When
And that's the thing, because you want to come in here, you want to
Yeah.
feel inspired, you want to be.
Actually, it's probably the most relaxing space in the whole house.
There you go. You're going to be working a lot. You might be
Yeah.
pumping out a few more books for us.
Yeah, and
Look
I
out.
might even make that into a bed and sleep down here too. Got
Well,
everything I need. Before I used to be embarrassed if people came over
Yeah.
for meetings, I'd be like, oh no, you have to come to my house. But now I'd be like, yeah.
Come in. Come into
to
my
mine,
office.
come into my
Would you like a
office.
drink?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so glad that you love it.
Yeah, I love it. Thank you so much. It's beautiful.
Amazing.
And I love it. And I can see myself being very productive in here.
I might have to come down here and work.
Or just watching Netflix on the couch. Like, both sound really good.
Sorted. It's just really simple, practical.
Do you have like a digital course?
I do. Fancy that.